mess it up again? Oh, yeah, I messed it up again.
So what I did was I went to y equals, and that second y2, I put 5. Don't change the window. Originally I said I did, but it's y, it's not x. So, and just go to graph.
Good job, Steve.
Now where they cross is the answer.
So point.
No, we got to find exactly where they cross.
How do we do that?
Here's how we do it.
Make the little dot thing.
We do, where is it? Second and the trace button where it says calculate.
I'm guessing it's going to be 0.37. Negative.
And we're looking for, which one do you think? Which one? Value. No, I'm trying to figure out where these two do what? Cross, or which word up here would that be?
Wait, which one do we
Intersect.
Intersect.
Yeah, how do we do that?
Okay, so again, to get to the calculate screen, it was the,
Got it.
it's the second and then the trace button.
Okay. Say it's next to
And you get this. And it's number 5.
Intersect.
And then it says first curve. Notice how my dot is on the blue one? Somewhere, it doesn't matter where. Enter.
I have it.
Good. And then the red curve, now it's moved. Enter. And then my guess, well, I'm going to move it over here to where it looks like they're crossing.
Hey,
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah.
And then you get it. 3 decimal places. What is it?
Ashley's the wrong thing. It's negative.
0.318.
Oh my gosh, I get
Nope.
I get negative 0.333.
There it is. Negative 0.334, right?
No, I get 3337.
So that would be.
Okay. I was like, I got no beer. Yeah.
Nina's calculator about to fight.
Yeah, she's not in the right window. I see what your screen looks like. You're not in the right window.
I don't know. I didn't even change the window. Just change my.
Yeah, she is the full screen where it goes.
You can smell.
Woo!
At least you're not the only one.
No, I don't.
Okay, go to second, trace, and we're going to intersect, and then first curve and enter, because
You want me to help you?
I just changed.
and then enter, and then enter. There it is.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Grr. Grr. I changed this twice now. Grr.
Okay. What are you doing? Don't change it. Go to crack.
Oh no. Because you're here.
Well, it was because you were changing something else.
Well, because it was in the wrong window. It was negative 10 to 10 again.
Yeah, but you were about to change something else. That's why it was. Okay. Now go to second trace. That's intersect. And then hit enter 3 times.
What is your plus doing?
It's only
Everybody good? Are you good?
Hold it, yeah.
Okay.
Holding out for a fever.
Yeah, that's you. I was to say. I was like, girl.
So then x is
Negative 0.334.
and that is indeed between negative 2 and 1, so we're good.
It's continuing.
All right. Number 4, same type of stuff.
Oh. I didn't.
Yeah, we had another one for number 4. Yeah, we have a number 4. There's another. It's on the page. This one. This page.
The homework page?
No, this isn't homework. I don't have that.
Yeah, I don't.
It's this page, right?
Does it
No.
look like that?
No. It's like
Don't I get that page?
No.
apparently not. I'm missing. Oh, it's just hole punch backwards. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
You figured it out?
It's on the back of the homework.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, I found it.
Good job,
That
Steve.
looks so weird. The way it's held. The answer's 2.
Sorry.
Bad job,
The
Steve.
answer's 2.
Okay, So on this one, again, we're answering the same question. Figuring out if IVT is applicable, which means it must be continuous in between f of A and f of B. And then if it is applicable, we got to find C. Or applicable, whatever. So first where is f of x discontinuous?
2.
It's at 2. Is 2 in that interval?
No.
No. So f of x is continuous on -1 to 1. Ooh, sorry.
It was me for a second. I was like,
Then we plug in what?
what? -2.
Either one. Yeah, we got to plug in -1 and 1. We plug in one of each of these.
Yeah. I was thinking -1/2.
So you plug in -1.
1/3.
Guessing most of us did homework.
So that's 1/3, yes. And f of 1 which is -1 is -1/2
No.
between those two.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
3.
F of C equals -1/2 is between f of -1 and f of 1. Therefore, the IVT is applicable for f of x on -1 to 1. So now we got to find C. We got to find the C that makes f of C equal to -1/2. Because according to the intermediate value theorem, there is one.
Why do we have to find it?
Because it told us to.
Did it?
Find the value of C, guaranteed to exist by the theorem.
Yeah, but isn't C -1/2?
No, f of C is -1/2.
That's the. Oh, you want to find the point.
Yeah, I want to find x.
I was like, I thought we were
So it is C, or x, whatever you want to use, over C minus 2 equals -1/2. All I did was replace the x's with c's.
Oh, we putting that in a calculator. Would you keep choose?
No, we're not putting it in our calculator. No, you can't keep change flip because we're not dividing. What do you do? No, you butterfly when you add or subtract fractions.
Can you split it? No. I know the answer is 2.
You do a proportion, you cross multiply.
Cross multiply.
C times 2 is 2C.
It's butterfly for multiplication.
Don't say that.
Just did.
Well, don't.
Why can't we say it?
Because that's wrong.
But is it really?
Yes. So it's 2C equals -C plus 2. Add C to both sides.
2/3.
C is 2/3.
That's all Glenn for today.
Well,
That's
no.
it today, folks.
All right. Number 5.
It's okay.
Yep.
What's the
Scroll back down. I got confused. Sorry.
No, it's
what's
okay.
that test going to
I
be over?
took too long to look at it.
Homework.
What or when?
What?
It's the very first page that I gave you.
That's it?
Look at the very, very first
Oh, I
page.
think I lost
Oh,
the
the
page.
thing.
It's got a list of
Syllabus.
everything.
Can I
The
have that
syllabus.
page again?
I ain't doing it right now.
Well, I have
Yeah.
one.
Or it's online.
Oh, it is.
Is
Okay.
it? Like,
Yeah, on your blank notes.
I quit looking at it.
Okay. Number 5.
over limits and continuity. Guess that. Wow.
It's over basically everything we've done.
Wow.
Feels like a lot.
Yes. So f of x. First thing we got to find out is what about f of x? Is it continuous?
I don't see.
Think about graphing that. We graphed that at the very beginning.
No.
Did it have any holes or asymptotes, vertical asymptotes?
I don't know. I feel like it does.
No, it does not. It's one of those things.
I'm pretty sure it's
Or one of those things.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is a decay.
So f of x, it is.
It has.
Yeah.
F of
Can
x,
I have some reflections?
it's okay, yeah, is continuous everywhere. Not just on 3 to 5, but. The second thing, question?
This is a small one.
Oh, true. What's the second thing we're looking for?
F of 3 and F of 5.
Yeah, f of 3 and f of 5. So f of 3
Yeah.
is negative 1. Isn't it?
Close enough. I mean, she's correct.
Wait,
Two spaces for each other.
would it be negative 1 here?
Yes. No.
No.
No. Okay, I think you said it was negative 1.
No,
So
it'd
it's
be
negative 1/2 to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1,
Yeah.
and then there's a negative out in front of it.
Okay, yeah, I didn't think of it like that. I thought it was like negative 1/2.
No, if the negative was inside the parentheses, then yes.
That's why I said no.
So then f of, what else are we finding?